hopefully we can get this in 2 hours. I forgot this is like a Danganronpa style game.
Oh, to finish this section?
Yeah, to finish chapter 0. I hope we can at least.
Hi, I'm Christian, aka Snakebird, and welcome to my channel. Numbers define who we are, so you should hit that subscribe button to help me feel better about myself. My lifelong dream is to surpass ninjaydes in subscribers, so you should really hit that button to help me out. Please enjoy the video, and remember, bigger number, better person.
Welcome back.
Okay.
Because maybe I'll post that one today if I have time. Just so ninjaydes doesn't have to wait an extra day because of you. It's all your fault.
It's okay, ninjaydes will forgive me.
So I'm gonna like run in a straight line for like 30 minutes. So. Oh, there you go.
Ooh, which one's next?
This place.
I wonder if all the mystery labyrinths are gonna look like this, or if they're gonna be like,
Path is
different.
forked in
Probably
two.
the same aesthetic.
Which way should I go?
Different like stuff in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This
like
fork
different
in the
people.
path is
and-
Yeah.
also a materialized mystery, so you should know which way to go if you solve it.
Okay.
First, let's clarify what mystery this is exactly.
Huh?
Is that like
How do you
the
do
what is that
that?
Virgo on the ground?
Right.
Okay.
Oh, what is that? A scythe?
Yeah, I mean she is the god of death.
Huh?
What?
Did she kill him?
Metaphysically?
Blood! Blood!
Quit overreacting, Master. This is a mystery labyrinth. It's fine.
It's all like VR.
Anyway, take a look. I use the blood of the Truth Seeker as a conduit to expose the mystery blocking the path.
Is the culprit one of the 6 on the train?
Is that a question?
Oh, yes or
That's the
no?
mystery standing in your way. You just need to pick the right path and head on through.
6 on the train. It must mean the 6 master detectives.
Well, I'm saying yes. Do you want to say no?
Me,
I
right?
want to say yes.
Okay.
There's no
If
one
I
else.
don't think the
Okay.
culprit is among the 6,
I'm going with Goldmine killed
I
it.
should take the
Killed
right
them until the end.
path, Which
Oh, okay.
says no.
I don't
If
know who
think the
killed him, but I
culprit
think
is
it's
one
one
of
of
the 6
them.
on board.
Okay.
I need to take the left path that says yes. Which is it?
Oh, is there a game or is it
There's
just like you just
only
choose?
one truth.
Questions relating to the case are asked in different forms. Choose the correct answer. Okay.
I think we just choose this.
Can I talk to you? Like, what do you say?
Then
6 people or not. Pick the
Master?
door you think is right. Okay, thanks. Absolutely useless. What's going on here? This looks like a, you know, beside Twin Fish there was like a
Oh, yeah.
golf putty thing.
Yeah,
It looked exactly
putting
like
edge.
it. Yes.
So, you think the culprit is one of the 6 on the train?
Yes.
Yes.
I will die on this.
Right here!
Slash through the truth.
So then if like we die, then we just
Okay,
pick the other
let's
one,
go.
right?
I guess. Yeah.
So
You.
It's not that bad.
I guess not. Oh, we're dead. Just kidding.
No.
I don't know.
Can I go through now?
I'm like, what's happening?
Oh, you got it right? Not bad at all, Master.
Yeah, come on now.
So we are right.
Too
I
good.
wonder what
This.
it would have said if we got wrong. He's back?
Wow, he just terrorizes us throughout the labyrinth.
Oh, so it's just the same one.
Something happened!
I guess so.
Why? Did I make the wrong choice?
It's trying to bury the truth again. Go
No, stop burying the truth.
Okay.
Swank. Mystery Labyrinth Swank, or whatever it's called. Okay, wait, hold up. Map of the train. Change.
5 cars. Okay.
I cannot read that. Can you read it? Does it matter?
I don't think so. I just know the first one and the last one are the same. The second one's the,
The dining
and
car.
then the third and the fourth have like room.
And there's one with like the control room B or whatever.
Oh yeah, that's the first and
And
fifth one.
cars with 5 cars.
I think the first and fifth are exactly the same, except they're just like inverted.
Yeah, okay.
It's wrong.
That's wrong. No.
Other than the 6 on the train, you must have had an accomplice.
Okay, so it's the first one.
Whoa.
This one. That was fast.
Oh wait, I did. You have to actually time it. I knew it. I wanted to try it, but my bad.
In that case, it all fits.
It's okay, we just won't die.
Even if you couldn't do it alone.
Trying to get it at the last moment to do that
Possible with an
that whatever boost that is.
Daring dodge.
Yeah, daring dodge. Good. Yeah, I can't really remember that. Daring dodge.
Drinking the coffee and knocking yourself.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh.
whoa.
I don't.
I think we just don't do it, right? We wait for it to like redo,
Okay, yeah,
right?
because it's not a contradiction for any of them.
Yeah.
Ow.
Are you allowed to?
Daring dodge. Yeah, just let it go.
Oh.
Maybe it restarts, I think. Is there really someone else? Yeah, and then
Your
it restarts.
deduction is wrong.
It's very, yeah, I just know that because of Danganronpa. It's like the same, it's like kind of the same, but with bullets.
Oh, okay.
And like other stupid games
You
like this.
must have had an accomplice.
There we go. Almost didn't make it, but it's okay. You got it with like the,
You did it.
yeah. There we go, see? I'm just too good.
So what would have happened if we
Two
slashed the
master
one?
detectives
Kinda
used
just lose
their
health.
abilities to prove that only 6 people
it
were
would
on the
restart.
train.
Yeah.
If it was only one person, they could have been lying or an imposter. But 2 of them means there can be no mistake.
Wrong. Your reasoning is completely off.
Is that actually wrong?
I don't think so.
Oh wait, no, we
No, we were
yeah,
right.
we got free keys.
What good does that
Wait, no, wait, we didn't.
Burned to death.
a testimony
Wait, what does off-
do? Your accomplice just wasn't there when those two checked. Came
Okay.
aboard after.
I don't think we lost any health, so I feel like that was kind of right.
No, we
So
weren't.
what if the windows don't open? While everyone was knocked out, you secretly stopped the train and let
Okay, so
No, it's this one, right?
that one, yeah.
your partner board.
No.
Slash through this mystery.
I'll slice through this mystery. You're wrong. Yeah, I was waiting for him. Even if you don't understand it, once he starts talking about the train, you just put the map.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And the doors won't
Maybe this
open
will make
unless the
sense.
train stops. So it's
He hasn't even explained it
impossible
yet.
for someone to have gotten on during the trip.
Where's the question mark?
Oh.
It became like an exclamation mark.
Come on, wow.
You've got no rebuttal.
So this basically just helps you like reason it out.
Yeah, when you win against him in an argument, he's like, man, I'm just gonna run.
Still don't know who would have
Looks
done
like
it
you're
though.
getting the hang of this, Master.
It has to be
learned
gold
to
mine.
ruthlessly cut down any who stand in your way.
You make it sound like I'm the bad guy here.
Yeah, wait, what else?
Hey, I was wondering, if the mystery labyrinth is trying to block people from seeking the truth, wouldn't it reject my answers, even if they're right?
I would not want to be a voice actor for this game. Unless you got paid like crazy, but they don't because they're voice
maybe
actors.
the questions
not?
themselves are
Like,
lies.
look how many lines they have. Everything is voice acted.
No chance. A mystery labyrinth has no self.
But like the more they talk about it,
or create things not based on
Well,
the
it's
real
not
world
exactly the
history.
most paid industry. Same with animation.
This place is a direct manifestation of a mystery.
Unless you're actually
Always
like
progress as long as
Shinigami
you
or
keep
something,
solving
then
it.
it's kind of a flex. When you look for other work.
In that sense, the labyrinth is fair. It won't cheat you.
I see. That's a relief.
By the way, about the culprit being one of the 6 of you, how could the culprit commit the crime when all the other passengers besides you were dead?
But they weren't dead. They were asleep. Goldmine drugged them. Also, can I finally? I want to look at the
Come
or
on,
not.
pay attention! You better not be skimming over this.
Yeah, detective rank, detective points.
Hey, Master! Do you set
This is
whichever
a skill
skills
tree.
fit you best?
Okay.
Our
Status.
skills.
We're detective rank 4. Just say we have SP 1,
SP
3.
3.
Oh, there we go. Yes.
Memory cap.
Yeah. So equip.
The Shinigami puzzle sequences?
Yeah, it's the one at like the very beginning from last time, I think. Like at the end.
Oh, okay, okay.
Samurai one. Is this the ability?
I don't know which one would be better.
I don't even think we've done this, right? Reasoning deathmatch?
No. Assist?
Yeah, I don't think they've even explained what that is.
Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, I'll
We
leave
can
it
wait.
at that. I'll leave it at that. I want to go profiles.
Other Shinigami.
Oh, we don't get. Oh yes, there we go. I was gonna say, where is Melanie Goldmine here? Glamorous one came intellect.
Yeah, she's tall.
That's what you got from this?
Yes. Dad had burnt to a crisp in the dining room. In the dining room.
Wait, why doesn't it say her what's it called? Her ability?
It does,
It does? Where?
doesn't it? She praises other. Oh wait, never mind.
Spiritism?
Maybe it's because it tells you how they.
Shinigami was
die.
born on my brother's birthday. It's crazy. Sorry.
Oh, does it tell us our age? Can I see that?
Okay, wait.
Oh, probably not. Speed eating.
Wow, of course, because they give the fat guy the speed eating one. Birthday unknown, unfortunate. Alright, well, next episode.